1 year and 2 months eating ice because her teeth is okay. Mm, Hi. Hi, pretty much. Hi. Hi, pretty much nga pala sa mami. Big girl na masyado, ay. Big girl na masyado. Hi. Hi. Where are you going? Hi. 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 Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Manyan masyado eh. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. I love you so much. You're such a pretty girl much. Hi everyone, I am eating ice now. It's because my teeth is hurting. Currently, I have 6 teeth and 2 are slowly growing. Hi. Hi.